Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Ford Mondeo, stock number 5978. This ran from 09-2014 to 06-2020. It has an MD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an MD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front guard. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.